How to use whole apples and reduce waste. Want to cut food waste in your kitchen? Try these ideas for using whole apples. Make a delicious dessert using cored, unpeeled apples. Core apples and place on a lined baking tray. Fill the centres with butter and sugar mixed with chopped pitted dates and crushed ginger nut biscuits. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until tender. When you're using peeled cored apples in a recipe, save the leftover apple peels and cores to make a refreshing apple tea. For a fun twist on toffee apples, make toffee apple peels. Roll apple peels into rosettes and secure with a skewer. Then make a basic toffee of sugar and water and carefully dip the apple rosettes in the toffee to coat. Cool completely on a lined baking tray. Use to decorate tarts or cakes. For more ways to reduce waste in your kitchen, click here.